look what came in. You can see this Hot Mess Express. I am trying to, I guess this is called adulting, right? Trying to get rid of all this cheap plastic with this Joy Jolt. It comes with a 12-pack of glass containers. You can actually put this stuff in the oven. It's dishwasher safe. It has the little lids, and it comes with different sizes. Now that I'm adulting, I'm going to organize all my glass containers and hopefully get rid of all of my plastic ones. But these are all packaged so nice. I'm trying before I run out of time. But right now, these are on, you can even put these in the fridge. I'll show you all the, oh, these are really packaged nice so they won't get damaged when they're shipping. I will link these below so you can get your glass containers and start adulting too.